For the repair of the generator control panel, Aconis 2000 by Hyundai, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 24-volt DC power supply, a custom communication simulator and an oscillograph. Soon as we turn on the power supply, we can see the LED indicators of the unit lighting up, and we can also see that the green LED indicator of the communication simulator lighting up, which means the communication with the unit was successful. We can also see the communication of the unit on the oscillograph screen. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the generator control panel, Aconis 2000 by Hyundai, is working successfully, is ready to be delivered to the client.